So the question is, will it still die? Nope. Didn't. What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Boys, Pop's car is back with a few upgrades. If you caught the last video, we got the 2400 B&M stall converter installed in the car, as well as the shift kit. We didn't have time to do the diff. We will get that soon. But my main thing here was to see what kind of a difference that made with the AOD being so sluggish for one, and the drivability issues we were having with the cam and the stock converter. Did it fix it? We'll know in a minute. So let's see how it stalls up. Just see if we can tell a difference. Yeah, not too shabby. That will pay dividends at the track where I'm not going to blow the tires off. So, big plus there. Guys, have you ever thought about what it'd be like to just go on LMR, order any SVE wheel and Nitto tire kit you want, get them shipped to your door and bolt them on your car? Yeah, pretty awesome, right? Well, guess what? That's what our latest giveaway is, and it ends very soon, so you've got to get entered right now. How do you get in? Just stop by thefoxcast.com/shop, grab anything in the store, whether it's a hat, t-shirt, we've got flags, keychains, key tags, anything you want from OBS, F-150, SM95, New Edge, Fox Body, all manner of evil on the site, ready for you. Every $5 spent gets you one entry. Ends June 14th. You need to get in right now. Head to the website, grab something cool, and you're in. Alright guys, let's go over the combo again real quick. GT40 3-buyer iron heads, Ford Motorsport E303 cam, GT40 intake, short tube headers, 93 Cobra underdrive pulleys from LMR, 70mm throttle body and EGR spacer, full exhaust obviously, then 373s in the back. The addition of the 2400 stall converter is really well matched with the E303 cam, and of course the the shift kit really cleans up the sloppy shifting AOD. So overall, pretty impressed with the gains. Now, one thing I will say, the addition of the lightweight centerline Convo Pro wheels is definitely going to help. Took some unsprung weight off the car, and obviously made it look 100% better. But adding that, yeah, it's gonna make it accelerate a little bit better. Definitely makes it look better. All right, last and final thing we gotta do is the tried and true AOD shuffle. So let's get out here and give it a whirl. All right guys, if you're not familiar with the AOD shuffle, it's very simple. Pull it all the way down in first and you launch the car. Once you get to basically your desired shift RPM, push it up into drive. As soon as it shifts, pull it back down into first, and it'll hold that gear until you're basically ready to get out of it. Just put it back up in drive and it'll shift normally. So let's see what kind of difference it makes doing the AOD shuffle. All right, down in first, and let's go. Get a new draggy, guys, so I can get the actual times for you, but it was pulling its ass off. Not bad, and able to run out the RPM a little bit makes all the difference in the world, because making an AOD shift on its own at the desired RPM is tricky. You can mess with the TV cable, but a lot of times it just doesn't give you what you're looking for exactly. All right, boys, final thoughts. Is the car faster? Yeah, definitely seat of the pants, noticeable faster. Does the car drive better? Yes, it does drive better. It doesn't die when I put it in reverse or drive, even when cold, which is a big thing. And then also it doesn't jerk to a stop like it did before with the stock converter. Just a hair sometimes, but overall it's pretty freaking smooth. So I would say mission accomplished. Pop's car is definitely better. Still got to get the diff in, so I'm not doing the one wheel peel anymore, but that will be happening shortly. So win-win. Pop's car, little incremental improvements day by day make the difference, and that's how I suggest you do it. Just keep chipping away at it, boys. If you enjoyed it, big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. We'll catch you on the next one.